What is happening, people? First vlog. This is the first. Wow. We're already at the first vlog. That's big. That's an achievement. Now, right now, I'm at Erskine, as you might see. But this is probably like an only time thing. I rode my moped here. Got my helmet right there. Tomorrow's plan is to go to Cedar Falls. Well, Janesville. It's basically Cedar Falls, but going to my cousin's house for my brother's senior pictures. I am going to camp. Obviously, I'm not going to record there because no electronics allowed. Speaking of electronics, I have a plan for the camera. I'm going to get it by the time this goes up Saturday, okay? But I'm going to go back home now. The start of the video to this is like really like pew 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 with topics. I'm gonna get on my moped, maybe show you it. This is my moped, my Honda Ruckus. It is a very good looking moped, as you can see. It is the most model moped in the market. Alright, you guys, you have to understand that this is an amazing moped. But that's my moped. If you get a moped, I'd highly recommend getting this one. Yeah. Alright, back in my house, and I'm at the kitchen table again. By the way, this is my kitchen table where I recorded my first video. Welcome to my channel. Very important, and I came here to discuss this. My first cucumber on the channel. This is more important than the fact that I'm making my first vlog. I'm gonna take the first bite of this cucumber, and it is gonna be gorgeous. It smells great. This has to be the most ceremonious as it can be, and it's going to be. Pretty good. Pretty good. If you forgot, I love cucumbers. Congrats, cucumber. You made it. This is important. This is great. It's going into the books. Status update. I'm going to Cedar Falls with my family. Meeting up with my cousins and aunt. Probably gonna shoot some stuff there. So see ya in Cedar Falls. Alright, now we're in Janesville, which is basically Cedar Falls, which is basically Waterloo. And my cousin's over there. We're gonna get some sick shots of that right now. Sorry if the thing is a little shaky, it's on a bird feeder. But we're gonna get a pretty sick time lapse going in right now. So this is the place that Egan told me to go to, because it was quote-unquote amazing. Me and Egan just made quicksand. We're both stuck. At one point we made like little island things.
And we connected them with the rivers.
Yeah. Now we're stuck. But it's cool. So weird.
Guys, it's Egan, Sam's cousin, and taking over the video. I don't really know a lot about vlogging. All I know is my name. I'm gonna do backflip. We just made like quicksand and islands out of the river down there. Right now he's up there. I'm taking over the vlog. Here you vlog. See ya.
Thanks, Egan, for that previous scene. I am here to explain a couple instances. First of all, my hair, gross, ew, too short on this. I mean, it'll grow out, but second, I was on a trampoline doing some tricks, and I did a cannonball back bounce thing, and kicked myself in my Skittles and Tootsie Roll. Yeah, quoted from Egan. Just thought I should let you know that. I'm sitting out taking a break right now. But, I think that'll do it for the vlog. If you enjoyed, like. If you didn't, dislike. If you like all my videos, subscribe. And I guess, see ya next week because of camp. Peace.